Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Sivesh. Well, on behalf of Macmillan Education India, I would like to congratulate Sivesh, Sivani, and the entire team at Think Startup for coming up, or rather conceptualizing and kicking off this exciting initiative, India at 75 Youth Ideathon 2021, in partnership with MEPSC. Well, Macmillan Education is equally excited to be a part of this initiative and will take forward this initiative to thousands of schools across the country. And Ms. Dr. Saha, as you said, it's not only CBSE, we'll make sure that it reaches to every corner of the country. And we are very confident that we will have enthusiastic participation from students. Well, it's an honor to be here, at this interesting launch. As we say, it's a kind of a blended or a hybrid model. Such eminent dignitaries, some of the school principals and school leadership as well. Well, our dialogue today is actually significant as it addresses a larger question or a compelling question. Is our younger generation equipped to overcome challenges and take India forward? Well, according to a study or according to a report from World Economic Forum, about 50% of companies feel that automation will change or alter the way or the types of work which our students are expected to get into. Well, some jobs which are in demand today may not exist tomorrow. However, some jobs, new jobs will come and emerge. Maybe something like a drone manager or a podcast producer and so on. Well, the answer lies in timely development of our youth and probably younger children as well, the changed mindset, an entrepreneurial one. Well, the word, interestingly, I was reading somewhere, the word entrepreneur is a French word actually called entreprendre, which actually translates into adventurer. And that's what our uncertain world needs today, adventurers. Well, let me narrate a personal experience, of how an entrepreneurship program opened a young mind, in terms of changing that mind. Actually, my daughter was in grade 11 then and very unsure of what she wanted to get into. At that point in time, she joined an entrepreneurship course. And interestingly, in the 6 months of this, she actually interacted with several students of different schools across the country. She was, in fact, I would say, a successful entrepreneur, was instrumental in kind of, mentoring them. And during these 6 months, they actually learned a lot of business essentials. Well, the outcome was not only a well-developed business plan that aimed at rather increasing the efficiency of street vendors, but it also led to she picking up a lot of 21st century skills. Something with regard to communication, financial literacy, digital literacy, collaboration, budgeting, confidence. These skills is not always easy to pick up in a very formal school space. Well, as stakeholders in education, I think it is incumbent upon us to really develop an entrepreneurial mindset amongst children so that they can think of overcoming challenges and look at workable solutions. Our national education policy also talks about incorporating the entrepreneurship in its curriculum along with vocational education. Interestingly, for about more than 125 years in India, Macmillan Education actually has been carrying forward the vision of policymakers in India and supported students, institutions, and teachers in a way to kind of inspire curiosity, lead learning, and come up with or develop an equitable society. A series of measures have actually helped us to do that. We are there in STEM, BOSH, we are into mental health awareness, something with regard to, teacher training, gender equality, nutrition. We also run a very successful budding scientist program in the schools, which has seen encouraging participation from students, and they've actually come up with very novel models which has solved problems. I won't take much time. In fact, I will call for all the students, and I know this is being attended virtually by a lot of people, to come forward and grab this opportunity of a lifetime. I would say get excited, learn from experts virtually, share ideas, and win prizes. Macmillan Education is very proud to be, or rather delighted to be sponsoring the best education idea. Please come up with ideas which we can't even think of. Thank you so much. Wishing Sivesh and the team all the best. Thank you.